You are not eating unhealthy because you want to. It's because you don't have time to cook separately for yourself. You are really busy. Family, kids, work, responsibilities. So you eat what is available and really easy to do. That is exactly what is draining your energy. You feel hungry, but you don't have anything ready to eat. Just you grab that pack of chips, cookies, biscuits, or sugary snacks, or even order food outside. And then you feel tired, not because of your work, because of the food that you ate. Let me show you a system where you can eat healthy always. You will be able to have that food ready even on your busy days. And that system is exactly what me and my clients use to stay healthy and energized. The first step is to have healthy foods available. If you don't have that healthy foods around you, you would be eating that junk. You don't eat junk because you want to. You eat it because nothing healthy is available around you. So always make sure to stock the foods like eggs, paneer, peanuts, nuts and seeds, yogurt, fruits, always available. Simple, easy, and no efforts. The step 2 is plan your meals. Don't think on every single day. Just plan for one day and execute it on all other days. For all 7 days, what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Keep it simple. You don't need a variety, you just need that consistency. Make sure to include all the macronutrients in every meal. The third step is preparing the meal in advance. Cooking every day all the healthy foods is difficult. You can prep on one day and use it for the rest of the week is so simple to do. This is what I do personally, and all my clients, those who are busy, also follow. You can boil that chana, rajma in bulk. You can prepare the batter. You can cut all the vegetables. You can even boil some eggs. You can marinate that chicken, fish, or paneer tofu and have it ready in your fridge. You can freeze few of the things and also you can refrigerate few others. If you have everything ready, you will never eat unhealthy. This is what I follow personally, and I encourage all my clients to follow to have an healthy meal always. So remember to always have your healthy food ready. Plan your meals once and prepare your meals in advance. This is the secret of busy people staying healthy. If you don't have time to take care of your health, make sure to subscribe. I will share all the simple tools and techniques to stay healthy even in your busy days.